Hi beauties, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair your lace closure. So guys, let's get started. So I'm with my ventilating pin, my nets and my fishing line. So I've already measured my nets. Here I'm going to be pinning down my nets on top the closure with my ventilating pin. So I'm going to make a slip knot using my ventilating pin and the fishing line, like as if I'm going to ventilate. So I'm going to be pitching the net on top with the one down, the old net, then insert my ventilating pin as if I want to ventilate hair, like the way I do ventilate hair. I'll be pinching two of them down, then crochet with my ventilating pin and the fishing line. So keep watching, you will see what I'm doing in this closure. It's not difficult, it's not that difficult, so keep watching, you will understand the video. Sorry if I did a voiceover in this video because the voice I did when making the video, there is noise, too much noise in the background. So guys, keep watching and you will see what I'm doing. So look at the way I'm sewing down my nets. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share. So I'm folding my thread. I'm folding it into two. I'll fold it into two, then insert it inside my ventilating needle, then drag it out of